Hare Krishna Maharaj, Dandavat Pranam. So you explained that as a human being we cannot conceive the past and future. Future is understandable, but why we cannot perceive the past? Because it is already happened. We can comprehend this.
You cannot comprehend the past in terms of what you perceive with your senses, mind and intelligence. In that sense, there is a history recorded history contains something about the past. We can know something about the past from the recorded history. But it's just, hearing or reading, that's all. You cannot conceive the way you are conceiving what is happening in present. Just like now you are definitely perceiving what is happening in this hall because you're present in this hall, and with your senses you can see, you can hear, you can conceive. But if you are to conceive now what you're seeing, what has happened already in this hall yesterday or day before or even 1 hour before this class began, you cannot. You may be able to understand or get knowledge by actually getting a description which is recorded or videoed nowadays. Video. Somebody sends you a video. Yesterday you could not attend. The person was attending and he was recording and he sends you a video. Oh, yesterday what happened? I could not attend. So then you can see. Yes. But you cannot conceive using your present senses. Being in the present time, you cannot conceive the past.